So this is really, really exciting. Um, we got some cat tracks. They're not huge. I think they're young mountain lion tracks actually, because I think they're too big to be jaguarundi. Yeah, for sure they have to be. Um, but the cool part about these tracks is like I'm right in my backyard. My house is right there. Chicken coops are right there, which is probably not a good mix. Um, but yeah, I think these are mountain lion tracks, young mountain lions, or a young mountain lion track. Yeah, right in my backyard. Um, so this is about as exciting as it gets on a Sunday morning. So yeah, so super cool. Thought I would just quickly share that.